Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be seeing about Cointracts only. So actually it's a prop firm, and in case if you don't know what is prop firm, they will give some money behalf of them, like we need to trade for them, and once we make some profit we gotta share it with each other, and the profit share is like 90% for us and 10% for them, sometimes 80% for us and 20% for them. And they won't just like that give us the money, okay? They will do some test and all, because if we are skilled, that's when we will get the account, okay? So basically they will give the money and we're going to trade with that, and we're gonna split the profit. And for getting that funded account we gotta pay some fee in order to get the funded account, okay? So keep this in your mind. This is how the prop firm works, okay? And I'll explain everything clearly in this video. Make sure to watch this video until the very end. And there is one more thing in this video, which is a giveaway, okay? So if you watch this video until the very end, in between I will announce the giveaway, what it is and how you can get it and all. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. And before we start our video, I wanted to make one more thing very clearly. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for only educational purpose, and I am not telling you to go right away buy a challenge and do trading and all. All I am going to do is just I'm going to go through this platform and what are the good things that they are having, and you gotta do your own research if you want to do anything. Even if you want to purchase an account, you gotta do your own research and do it, because trading is always risky and many people lose their money. So please do your own research before you start anything. And with that being said, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and like this video and continue watching it. And in case if you haven't clicked the bell icon, click it. That's when you will get all my videos. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only we'll post all sorts of videos, link and everything. So make sure to follow us on here also, okay? So with that being said, let's get into the video. So first of all, let me tell you in simple words what is prop firm, okay? So it gives traders a chance to trade a bigger account after they pass their evaluations, okay? And you just need to follow their rules, and if you pass the account, no, so they will give you access to the larger funded account. So with that we'll be able to trade and make some profit, and we will be able to get to share it with them, okay? So here you can see we can keep up to 90% of what we are earning, okay? So it will depends, it varies, okay? So we can get to see all those details below here. So here you can see earn up to 90%. like if we are earning up to 90%, for example, if we hit the profit of $100, so $90 we can get to keep, and the extra $10 they will be keeping it, okay? So fast and daily payouts are here, and up to 5x leverage we can take, and unlimited trading days. That means we can trade crypto with no deadlines, no pressure. Take all the time you need to complete the phases at your own pace, okay? So which is a good thing. So I'll explain you everything. So this is like for the beginning, I just wanted to let you know about all the things that they are providing, okay? So what is Cointracts now? So Cointract is a prop firm where you can try to pass an evaluation to get access to the larger trading account. Everything I share is based on the information from their website at the time I'm making this video. Rules can change, so please check their website yourself, okay? So because anything can happen, right? So basically most prop firm will have the similar rules only. So Cointracts also having similar rules only. So profit target will be there, daily drawdown and overall drawdown limits will be there, trading rules will be there, and time limits will be there depending on the account. So payout option, if you pass and become a funded, then you will get the payout option, okay? Then we will be able to get to do the payouts and all, okay? So here you can see challenges will be there, okay? So 2k challenge is there, 10k challenge is there, and 25k challenge is there, and 50 and even 100k is there, okay? So here the best thing what I am seeing is, like here you can see with $19 we can get the 2k account. So that means they will not give you 2k right away and then you can make profit and you can get the profit. It doesn't work like that. So we need to pass the phase 1 and phase 2. For example, in case if you are getting the 2k account, okay, by buying this, like, you know, we need to pay the fee. So once we pay the fee, we get the 2k account, and after we get the account we need to pass the phase 1 and then phase 2. That's when they will give the 2k with the live account. So after we make some profit with the live account, that's when we can get the payouts and all, okay? So you gotta understand this. And here you can see the first phase 1 we need to make the profit of 8%, okay? And the minimum trading days 5 days you have. So keep any day, okay? If you are trading today and if you are making profit, and tomorrow if you didn't find any setup, just leave the day, and after 2 days or 3 days again you can trade, okay? But like that you can trade 5 days. days. So 5 trading days you can make, and within the 5 trading days you gotta get this 8%, otherwise you will be failing the account. So that means if you fail the account, you will lose the account, then again you need to purchase a new account in order to again test your skills. Okay, so maximum loss is 10% and minimum maximum loss is 10% and maximum daily loss is 5%. So 5% in case today if I'm start trading, no, so if I'm losing more than 5% today itself, the account will be invalid, like it will be breached and then you will lose your account. So and maximum loss is 10%. That means today when I start trading I am losing 4%, and tomorrow again when I started trading and I'm losing 6%. That means overall I have lost 11%. That means the account will be breached and I will lose my account. Okay, so this is the meaning for this maximum loss and daily loss, and trading period is unlimited, so you can do this any day. Okay, but 5 days, initial 5 days, if you are doing it today, and it will be counted as the day 1, and the next day if you are not trading it won't counted, and the day after tomorrow if you are not trading, even that day won't be counted, and when the third day if you are trying to trade, no, that when you are trading that day will be counts. Okay, so like that you will be having 5 trading days. Okay, so these are the main things you need to keep in your mind. And leverage, they are giving up to 1:5 they are giving. Okay, so I'll explain you leverage, how it works and everything. So this is the basic things you need to know before we start our video, okay, about the prop firm. So now coming to the part how I can get access to the trading prop firm. Okay, so before we see how to get started, no, so we have done the contracts with the Cointrax. So they're planning to do the giveaway for our community members, like for 5 people. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, like for 5 people we're going to do the giveaway of 2k account. Okay, so all you have to do is just sign in through the link which will be given in the description. Just sign in through that link and then send me that email. Okay, so which email you used, just do send the email address in the comment section. I'll be randomly picking 5 people and do the giveaway of this account. Okay, so 5 people will be getting 2k accounts, so don't miss this opportunity, guys. So this is what you need to do. Okay, sign in through this link. Okay, this link will be given in the description. Just click on that link, it will take you here. Give your name, so give your name, last name, email address, verification, password, like everything. Fill up all the details and click on register, and you need to submit that email address in the comment section. Okay, and you gotta use my link. That's when you will be able to get that account. Okay, so pretty much this is how you need to do the registration. Also, once you click on that, you will be able to do the registration successfully. So your account will be open up like this only. Okay, so here you can see currently I am holding an account of 50k account. Okay, so soon I will be start trading with this one. And before that, if you will not see anything here. So first thing what we have to do is click on the new challenge, and here we will be able to get to see all the challenges. Okay, so whatever challenge you wanna go, you can go with it. And again, guys, I wanted to make this clear, there is no guarantee that you're going to make some profit and all. You need to pass the 2-step assessment process, so that's when we will make some profit. Okay, so if you are a beginner and if you want to try without knowing any strategy, do not try this one. Try to learn some strategy and be profitable, then you start doing it. And if you want to test your skill, start always with the 2k account. So like by that you will know how the prop firm works, how the drawdown works, and everything you will get to know. And if you are a pro trader, you can go like whatever is suitable for you, 25k or 50k, whatever is suitable for you. Okay, so all we have to do is just like we can pay with INR or else crypto. So if I'm clicking on pay with crypto, so it will open up like this. We need to fill up all the billing details and then we can place the order. Once we place the order, our account will be dropped here. Okay, in the challenge account. So here if you click on the dashboard, you can get to see this is your dashboard. It will be looking like this only. So here it will show the balance and equity, and it will show when your trading day is starting. So if we click on proceed to trade, it will take you here. So then here we can start trading. Okay, so this is where we'll be able to do the tradings. Okay, so here we can make a buy or long and anything we can do. So this is where we're going to start trading. Okay, so basically they are providing us like literally 5x leverage. Okay, so I'll show you in the top. You can see 5x leverage is there, so you can keep 1x or 2x. So for example, if I'm going to only place the amount, like for example here you can see if I'm gonna enter with $1,000, no, and if I'm keeping 5x means it will be turned into $5,000. so that's how it works. So here you can see this is how it will be looking like this, and we can make any trade here. Okay, so buy and sell, everything we can do it here. So for example, I wanna go with here you can see your full balance will be shown up here, okay, on the top. So we need to make the 8% of the 50k account, so you can get to know all the details here. Okay, for example, I'm having 50k accounts. Okay, so that means I need to make the profit of 8% from the 50k. So that's when I'll be able to pass this account. So like for example, if you are having the 2k account, you need to make the 8% of the 2k capital. That's when you will be able to get to pass this account. Okay, so now I'll explain you how interface works. Okay, it will be very simple. So once you come here now, so here you can see in the side like I already told you, leverage will be there, and the price amount you can keep how many percentage of the fund that you are willing to use on your account, and buy long and sell short if you are doing that, and then the order will be placed here. And then if it's moving upside, I hope you know how to trade. Okay, so pretty much that's how it works. So this is it, guys. This is how you can actually get your funded account, start trading. And if you make the profit of above, like for example, we are having this account. Okay, so I'm having 50k account now. So if I'm making profit above the level of 8%, okay, so then I'll be passing the phase 1, and after that I need to pass the phase 2. Here the target is very simple, just 5% only. If I pass the 5% target, then I will be having my account in my hand. So once I got the account in the hand, then I need to make trade and make profit. So whatever profit that I'm making, I'll be able to do the withdrawal. Okay, so it will be available in the payout section. So once you get the funded account and made some profit, you will be able to transfer your fund to your payouts, and here we'll be able to withdraw our amount to our wallet. Okay, so pretty much that's how this is working. And about their platform, the strategy and all, you can use any strategy you wish to use. And here you can see why choose Cointrax, no KYC required, and up to 100k we can trade, and 24/7 access to help, like you can go and get the help from them, and up to 90% of the profit share, and instant payout. So Cointrax actually offers a fast crypto withdrawal and trade with strategy, scalp, swing, copy, or automate, or no limit. There is no limit, you can trade with any strategy. So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. And mainly I wanted to make sure one more thing, this video is not financial advice, so I'm not telling you to go and buy a challenge and right away do anything. So what I'm trying to tell you is try to learn a strategy, and once you learn the strategy, you can get account here with a very lower money, and you can try your skills. Okay, so once you pass your account, then you can trade with the prop firm and then make good amount of money and all. Okay, but this is not guaranteed. If you are not a profitable trader, if you are not a skilled trader, then you cannot make any profit. Okay, keep that in your mind, because the trading is risky, I hope you know. So always do your own research and make anything. Okay, so overall Cointrax has a good features and also some risk. Like all prop firm, it depends on your trading style and discipline, so it's totally up to you only, guys. So if you are a disciplined trader, you're gonna make out from here, like alive. And if you're not a disciplined one, you're gonna lose everything, whatever. Even you can make so much of money today, and tomorrow you might lose all your money. Okay, so these kind of things might happen. So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. I wanted to cover about the Cointrax in this video, and which is a good platform for try our initial luck. And this is a new platform, so always do your own research before you want to do anything with this platform. So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do, so click the like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.